Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-ZS60 camera and you need to do a factory reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one's troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera, like it's not working or it's bugging or something like that, or it's not connecting to Wi-Fi or keeps disconnecting, a hard reset or factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if, there's a ton of settings and configurations on here and we can change them manually one by one, but if you just want to get a fresh start, wipe everything off of it and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do this really easily. Now just with the camera on, to do it, you're just going to come in and hit the menu set button over here, and that's going to open up your menu on your screen. And from there you're just going to navigate to the setup wrench icon submenu, setup wrench icon, and from that setup wrench icon submenu you'll select a reset. That's kind of all there is to it. It'll take you through a couple confirmation screens where you'll click yes each time, and that will reset everything back to the factory default settings.